Hello, I'm the 10-minute English teacher and I'm here to improve your English. Today I'm going to be telling you whether or not to use in, on or at. Before we get going, don't forget to like and subscribe. There are plenty of things on the channel to help you improve your grammar. Okay, let's think about whether or not to use in, on or at. Firstly, why do we get them wrong? We've got these three words, in, on or at, and choosing when to use them can be a challenge. That's because these are prepositions, words that tell us where, when or how something is happening. We don't confuse under and above, but these prepositions can cause some confusion. So I'm going to show you some examples now and you can think about which ones are correct. I'll be at London by noon. My appointment is at Tuesday. I will meet you on the bus stop. And we've got she'll be there at lunchtime. There is only one that is correct, and it is she will be there at lunchtime. So let's find out why. Here are the rules to follow. In is what we use for big and general places and times. So I'll be in London in April. So big place, big time. On is for surfaces and days and dates. So on Thursday, Thursday being a day, there will be candles on my cake. The cake is the surface, the candles will be on them. And the last one is for specific points and moments. That's when we use at. At 12, I will be at the table waiting. And to finish, here's an example of a sentence using all three. I will be at Waterloo Station in London on Wednesday. So I hope that clears up when to use those prepositions. Okay, check out the other videos on my channel. I'll continue to add content. Feel free to ask something you'd like to see me cover in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and keep revising.